Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and it's paper pumpkin time. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we've got the new paper pumpkin for October 2021. This is Peaceful Christmas. So if you want to get started with the paper pumpkin, the next one is, I'm gonna put a thing up right here to show you what the next one is. It is also for Christmas. I'm thinking it may be tags, but you can also make cards with it. I just know it is a Christmas one. And here we're going to get into this one. You can pay month by month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every year, however you want to do it. And you can also do, like if there's a kit that you see that you really are not interested in, you don't want, you can pause on that kit and said that you don't want that kit, and that's fine, and they will not send you that kit and move on to the next kit however you want. So don't worry about that if you run into a kit that you don't want. Also, if you'd please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment down below. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified on all my new videos. In this kit, we have Shaded Spruce. So that's the little ink spot. And then, of course, here is the stamps. We have Merry Christmas, Peaceful Christmas Wishes, Holiday Cheer, From Our Home to Yours, To You and Yours, Wishing You and Your Family all the best, Sending You Peaceful and Joy all year long. And we have some little trees down here and little snowflakes. So there's all the stamps. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stamps there. A lot of stamps. And then this talks about the Peaceful Christmas Sweet Collection that you can order and get to go along with this. And it shows you some projects. And then, oh, we got red tissue paper to match. See, they always match everything. And if you have not seen my last paper pumpkin, I will put it up in the cards. I will also link it down below. That was like a fall and Halloween one. Really cool, because that they'd never done that before, where you got to create a wagon out of the box. That was a lot of fun. So there's all of our supplies. Let me know down in the comments if you have ever gotten paper pumpkin or if you've ever heard of paper pumpkin before. I know some people don't even know what paper pumpkin is. These are great kits, and they're fun to do with kids, especially this time of the year. They're so easy for kids to do. I mean, because the instructions that come with them that are right there. Just like get the plastic off. Oh, looky there. Is it stencils or, oh, it's vellum. But you could use as stencils. Okay, so here are the instructions, which are, as you see, Real simple for kids to follow. Even an adult, excuse me, that is not a card maker. I always hear people say, oh, I'm not a card maker. If you've never made a card before in your life, real simple. All you gotta do is look at the picture. And it shows you how to make each card on here. It's done in pictures. So, and then you have you don't need a ruler or anything. They've got that right here on the side. Sometimes you might need a pair of snips, like some scissors of some kind. But that's it. They've got all your adhesive in here, unless you want some kind of other adhesive, like some Tombow or snail, or these kind of glue dots. Some people like them instead. But everything's in the kit that you really need. You don't need anything extra. When you start your first order, you do get your own block. And it looks like, kind of like this one. This is a actual Stampin' Up block. But it'll look something like that. And then you hang on to your block for all your other kits. And then if you want a regular Stampin' Up block, because they are nicer to hold on to, you can order one of these, because these are designed better for people with like arthritis, or you know, if you got any problems with your hands or your fingers or anything. They're a lot, you can see the difference in the thickness. So these are a lot easier to hold on to. So a lot of people like to order these, and once you get your hands on one of these, excuse me, you'll never want to hold one of those again. So just a little fair warning there on that. So anyway, let's see, what's it say? Take your crafting to the next level. Stampin' Up tools. Okay, this is just talking about all kinds of Stampin' Up tools here. And that shows all the supplies there. Let's see. Okay, this shows all the supplies here. And some extra cards and things that you can make. They always show that. And you can always go to Paper Pumpkin on YouTube, and they show real easy how to make all the cards. I love their little videos. They do them up so quick and easy. I mean, they really do, on how you can just whip these cards up the way that they're supposed to be. And what I usually do is I'll make a few on how they're supposed to be, but I usually just like to do alternatives, which I bring in other supplies, whether it's, what was that? Oh, I know what that was. It was something in the shower that I hung. I'll bring in other maybe Stampin' Up supplies, or just something that was in my stash, and show you how you can bring in other things and use it with the kids. And that's what I do. But let me show you what you got. So in this kit, there's all kinds of envelopes, and they are like embossed with the silver trees, real pretty. And inside they are the green checkered. Aren't those pretty? Those will be fun. A lot of times when they're like that, inside, a lot of us, sometimes I don't like to, because I'm always needing envelopes, but sometimes I will take apart an envelope and use that as paper. So, and then of course there's the front. And then here are some card bases. They're just the plain shaded spruce cardstock, and then white on the inside. And hear that? Good heavy duty, not cheap sounding. You have I know it's hard to see on camera, so I like to punch these out so that you can see these little flag banners, which go behind those right there that you'll stamp on. See there? You see it better right there. See that? So you got a page each of those, I think. It's just, okay, yeah. And then, oh, look at these beautiful cards right here. Look at that, of the trees. And I don't know if you can see the glitter of the snow on there. Beautiful, beautiful. Here. Stampin' Up always has good heavy-duty cardstock. If you've never touched any of Stampin' Up's cardstock, I challenge you to try it. You'll never want to use any cardstock again. Look at this. Look at that right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Put it on this one so you can really see it. That's done in silver. Pretty. And then you've got these elements here. Now I'm all in the country farmhouse, so I'm loving this gingham check green here. I think some people may be over all that, but I'm loving it. Look at that. You got this piece and this little wooden piece. Look at there. And let's see. Oh, and then these little vellum trees here. Which could also be, like I said, when I saw them, I thought it was a stencil. But yeah, you could use this as a stencil. And these could be colored up with your blends, or if you have alcohol, any kind of alcohol markers, those could be colored up. And I'm sure you could use it as a stencil too. And then got a little bit of bling here. And then of course you have, I know there's some sticky glue dots somewhere here. I just have misplaced them somewhere. They always give you glue dots. Ah, here they are. The glue dots are in here. Somebody's working downstairs. You got your red twine here. Pretty. And then of course you got all your adhesives that you need. Your glue dots and your Stampin' Dimensionals, of course. So that's everything that you'll need in your kit right there. So I thank y'all so much for watching. I just wanted to show you, do an unboxing of the kit, and I will come back in another video and show you what I have created with the kit. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you again soon in the next one and show you what I've created. Thanks for watching.